In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly theme. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or just exploring new design options, changing the theme can be a great way to spruce things up. Let's dive right in and take you through this straightforward process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Weebly site editor. You can do this by simply visiting the Weebly website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the site editor from the main dashboard. This is your starting point for making all the exciting changes we're about to discuss. Once you're in the site editor, your next task is to find the theme option. You can easily locate it in the top menu. Clicking this will open up a wealth of possibilities where you can explore various design elements for your site. This is where your journey to a refreshed website really begins. Now that you're in the theme section, you'll see a button or link that says Change Theme. Click on this to start browsing through the available themes. This is where your creative juices can really start to flow. You'll notice a wide variety of themes, each with its own unique style, layout, and personality. Take your time to explore them all and think about what kind of look would best suit your content and audience. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, it's time to put it to use. Simply click on your preferred theme to get a closer look. You'll be able to see how it would look with your existing content and gauge whether it fits the aesthetic you're aiming for. Visual alignment with your brand or personal style is important, so make sure to scrutinize how each theme might serve your needs. After you've made your selection, look for the Choose Theme button to finalize your choice. By clicking this, you're updating your website with your new theme. Remember, you can always preview how things look and even switch back if you change your mind, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed the look and feel of your Weebly site. Remember, the way your website looks can significantly impact how visitors perceive your brand or message. Therefore, taking the time to choose a theme that represents what your site stands for is crucial. Have fun exploring the various themes and enjoy showcasing your content with a fresh new design. Thanks for watching and happy designing on Weebly.